welcome to my channel. Today I have a hair tutorial for you, which is rather a rare thing for me, but I really felt like doing a hair tutorial today. So I did something that's to me still a suitable look for summer. So it looks fancy, it looks, you know, a little bit quirky, a little bit different. But it's still easy enough to do that you won't be sitting, you know, with your arms up in the hair, fumbling with your hair, being all hot and sweaty. Because it's warm in summer. So yeah, this is to me just the perfect sort of more fancy-ish look to do in summer. So let's get started. Okay, this sort of feels like a mugshot. But anyway, just like every hair tutorial, this is going to start with combing the hair. My hair is slightly damp because I just took a shower and I tried to keep my hair dry and that never quite works out for me. Having your hair slightly damp will make the braiding a bit easier because it just stays compact a little bit easier. However, it's not absolutely necessary to wet it. So what I'm going to do first is actually pull off one section of my hair, and if you have bangs, do keep in mind that we're not going to braid, well at least I'm not going to braid my bangs, so do keep that in mind when deciding how much hair to grab from the top. But anyway, if you don't have bangs, obviously you don't have to take notice of the fact. And then I'm just going to pin it aside for a moment and braid the lower part first. Of course you could just leave it this way, also very charming. Just to be clear, you could make a ponytail first and then braid from there. However, I think the least hairbands you use, like hair elastics, or the less you have to hide later on. So yeah, I prefer to do it this way, but if you find that too tricky, you could always just, you know, use a hair tie first. And I'm just going to make this into a regular bun. Okay, that's that. Then on to the next part. If you've got bangs, this is the point where you want to separate them. If you don't want to braid them along. And yeah, then I'm just going to put this thing in a separate braid. Just going to put it slightly to the side, which will make it easier to make a wrap around the bun. Going to leave quite a long tassel on it because it's going to go around the braid bun anyway. Okay, then one loop of the braid is tied around the bun. The second one I'm going to make a little bit more loose. Of course you could choose to just make everything like nice and tight, but I don't know, I just thought it was a fun little touch. Then of course you could decorate it with a flower or, you know, a ribbon or one of these like little cone thingies. Most drugstores have these days. This particular one was from Claire's, I think. You know, just anything you like and just stuff it in there. And yeah, then that's the final result. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I won't put like the full list of products I use below the video because I didn't use any products today. But what you can always find there is, you know, all my social media accounts and names. I'd especially love it if you'd want to follow me on Instagram, because I always post it there as well whenever I upload a new video. Other than that, yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please click the like button. It would really help me out. And if you want, you can also subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do more hair tutorials, by the way, or specific hair styles, you can always ask me in the description, not the description box, the comment section below. And if I'm capable of doing the hairdo, I'll try to film it for you. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye!